Hi there. In this video, I want to teach you how to change the text size, color, font, etc. in Apple Keynote. I have this palette here to remind you that the way you do it is you come up here to Format. If you don't see the images on the side, or sorry, the options on the side, you click on the paintbrush on Format. And then if you still don't see what you want, it's because you don't have any text selected. If you have some text selected, then you'll have the option, you might be at Style, but you have the option to go to Text. And that's where you would change a font, or you could just simply type in a larger font. I'm going to go back to 40. You can change the font style, and then that might lead you to change the size again. I'm going to hit Command Z to undo. Now, there's many things that are very familiar to whatever you use for typing out your reports for teachers, etc. Right down here is your color. So I'm going to click on the color. That will give you some nice options. I'll hit Command Z, or you can click here. It gives you several different ways that you can choose different type of color. And if it's ever black, you move it up here. If it's ever too white, you bring it over. And I like this little eyedropper. If you click on there, then you can move over here and you can make it match exactly the color of anything on your screen. And let's see if the color, it even works. Does it work? It even works on my face. So I hit Command Z. I'll go back to black because that's what I wanted. That's how you do it. How do you do it? So on our project, I want you to go to Windows, or you don't need to go to Window, but on this screen, what I want is for you to type in here, specifically, you're typing in your full name, and in this situation, you could type it in Hangul in Korean language, and it's up to you if you put family first or your name first. You do that on one, you make it look the way you want it to, be creative. You do not have to follow my style on this. Make a color that you like. Just make it nice and nicer than this. I won't take the time to make it beautiful, but make it nice and big. So maybe 122 is an okay start. That's too much. Let's go with 88. Yeah, maybe 88, depending on the size of how many letters you have. That's what I would like you to do. And of course, if it is, for many cultures, we may not want it to be red. So there you go. That's what I would like you to do on this slide. On the next slide, you're doing the exact same thing, except the next slide tells me same size, same font. Tell me what you want your friends and me to call you in class. So this is your full family name in whatever culture you're from. And then your second one is the name that you want me to call you in class. Thanks. I'll see you in the next video. You can take action on that step